Serious accident in St. Anne has claimed the life of two individuals and injured several others. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. At least two people have lost their life following a motor vehicle crash along the border of St. Anne and Trelawney on Saturday morning. Several others are injured and also hospitalized. They have so far been identified as Reece and Mikel Thompson. Reports are that a Toyota Coaster bus was transporting staff members to a popular hotel in the parish when it collided with a truck in the rear Beano bypass. The truck was parked on the left soft shoulder of the roadway. A total of 10 hotel workers were transported to the Falmouth Hospital, where two succumbed to their injuries. The Minister of Tourism, Edmund Bartlett, has expressed deep sadness at the passing and critical injuries to members of the staff of Excellence Oyster Bay Resort in Trelawney following a two-vehicle collision along the St. Anne/Trelawney border on Saturday morning. While the circumstances that led to this unfortunate incident are being determined by the police, Mr. Edmund Bartlett said that he is distraught that we have yet another fatal accident on our roads. Adding to the record number already recorded for the year, I further saddened that the victims are vital members of the tourism industry who would otherwise be making a sterling contribution to the sector. He said the injured, none of whom seem to be in critical condition, are receiving treatment at the Falmouth General Hospital. Mr. Bartlett expressed condolences to the families of the deceased staff members and their colleagues and hoped that the other injured employees will come out with a clean slate even as they struggle to overcome this trauma. He further stated that discussions have been started with key stakeholders, including police and National Work Agency, to determine the reason for the frequent crashes along the highway and to explore possible mitigation action. It is reported that the two-vehicle collision involved a coaster bus transporting hotel workers and a truck. The police have stated that the incident happened around 6 a.m. The bus, which was heading towards Trelawney, collided in the truck. An eyewitness described the crash as a terrible scene.
Me no know who. Yeah. But you like a driver, I think. Alright. Now wicked bomb.
Links 007 TV will have a comprehensive report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.